Hello, this lecture is on indefinite pronouns. It's a rather lengthy lecture, so please bear with me. Indefinite pronouns can be singular, plural, or both, meaning either singular or plural depending on the pronoun's use. First off, words like anyone, everybody, everything, and everyone. Any of these words that end in body, thing, or one may sound plural. Many of them do. But all of them are always singular. Look at the ending, thing, body, one. Here's an example. Everything is singular. All right. Okay, the next group that are always plural. Both, few, fewer, several, and many. Okay, these are always plural.
This game for 2 years and I didn't even know
Fewer vote. Vote is your plural verb now than they did 20 years ago.
No, not in story mode.
Okay. The next group, some, any, none, all, most, and more can be either singular or plural depending on their use in the sentence. And what you have to look at is the object of the of phrase, if you will, that comes after the pronoun. The phrase that starts with the word of, look at the object of it and determine. Some of us is plural, so it's some takes a plural verb. Some prefer chocolate. But some of the pie, okay, pie is singular and takes a singular verb, so some is gone. Some of the pie is gone. However, the word none requires very special attention and is different than the others that can be either singular or plural. Okay, the word none is always singular when followed by a prepositional phrase beginning with the word of that has a singular object. None of the land is ours. Okay, so the of phrase after none ends in land. Land is singular, therefore none is singular, and it takes a singular verb is. None of the land is ours. However, the word none may still be singular even when it is followed by a plural object. And this is only the case for the word none, not any of the other words in this category that can be either or. Some, any, all, most, and more. Okay, only the word none this happens with. So even if it has a plural object after it, it may still be singular. Look at the context of the sentence. None of the awards have arrived yet. Okay, now here the object of the preposition is awards, which is plural, and none is plural because it's saying none of the awards have arrived, meaning none of them as a group have arrived. Okay, therefore none have arrived. However, look at this one. This is where it gets really interesting. None of the students wants to go first. So our phrase of the students ends with a plural object, which normally would mean that our indefinite pronoun in this category that can be either singular or plural would be plural with a plural verb. However, with the word none, if you could put the phrase not one of in the place of the word none, and it makes sense, then none generally will be singular and take a singular verb, even if the object of the of is plural. And here we could say not one of the students wants to go first. Okay, so therefore none is singular, wants is the singular verb. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me. Have a great one.